This is how to clean your door jambs. For this, I'm going to give you a level 1 cleaning, and I'm going to give you a level 2 cleaning. The level 1 clean is a maintenance clean. If you clean your vehicle regularly, this is probably all you'll ever need. Simply spray a small amount of your favorite all-purpose cleaner onto a microfiber towel and just start wiping down the door jambs. I like to spray the towel instead of the paint directly because it just gives me better control and it reduces the overspray. What this cleaning is going to do is remove fingerprints, light dust, pollen, that sorts of stuff. My go-to all-purpose cleaner for this is Super Clean, and I like to make my own 5-to-1 ratio, as you can see in my bottle here. Now, maybe your door jambs haven't been cleaned in months or even years, and if that's the case, we're going to move on to the level 2 cleaning, and this is a deep detail clean. This is going to remove mud, grease, and just years of caked on dirt. The first thing to do here is what's called a pre-rinse. What you're going to do is use a garden hose or a pressure washer, it really doesn't matter, and you're going to rinse away as much loose dirt and grit as possible. This is going to help to prevent rubbing any loose grit across the paint while you're scrubbing. Next thing you're going to do is take your all-purpose cleaner, which is actually a degreaser, and spray that door jamb liberally. And grab a soft detailing brush and scrub away. Make sure along the process that you scrub the rubber seals as well. I also want to mention that I am working from the exterior to the interior of the vehicle. So if you're cleaning, you're washing your car, you're detailing your car, you did the exterior first, and now you're transitioning into the interior. And the door jambs are that transition point. Once you're finished, rinse everything away with your pressure washer or your garden hose. Just take your time and don't spray a whole lot of water in the interior, obviously. For the parts up top, just use you a wet microfiber cloth to rinse. Just make sure all that cleaner and all that loosened dirt is washed away completely. And lastly, you want to make sure you dry afterwards. So take you a dry microfiber cloth and go around, wipe it all down. Make sure you get all that water off. The last thing you want to do is you want to make sure you're protecting these rubber seals right here. Today I'm going to be using this Armor All Heavy Duty VRP Protectant. The VRP stands for vinyl, rubber, and plastic. To do this, simply apply a small amount to a dry microfiber cloth or some type of applicator, and a little goes a long way. You don't need a whole lot. You just need a couple of drops and just run it over the rubber seals. It's really that simple. The point of doing this is just going to help keep that rubber soft and flexible. It also reduces fading and cracking over time, and it can even help prevent the doors from sticking during cold weather. And that is how to clean your door jambs.